Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this Bergner Senetor Dosa Tawa, which is cast aluminium. Okay, this is not cast iron, but it is cast aluminium Dosa Tawa, and it is saying like Bergner premium quality at the back side. See here, Bergner premium quality. Yeah, suitable for gas, maybe induction stove. It is mentioning like that. Yeah. There are 4 pictures, and when I holding this in my hand, I feel little bit heavy weight, and the handle is of plastic. And here Bergner Senetor Dosa Tawa 4.0 mm thickness, 4 mm thickness, yes, cast aluminium for the best heat distribution and retention. So when there is best heat distribution, you can get the dosa fine dosas you can make on this Bergner. So I already used some of the Bergner products like Bergner tri-ply stainless steel kadai with stainless steel fry pan. I already did the unboxing and review videos. I'll post them in the description, you can just check. And this is also looking pretty good with some granite look. This is not granite, okay, some granite galaxy look. And this may be ceramic coating also. There is nothing like a non-stick here. It is just shown like cast aluminium. Okay, cast aluminium. See here, gas, electric, vitro ceramic, halogen, hand wash recommended. This is what some indications on the product. Yeah, and the diameter is 26 centimeters, and this is the base, and the overall product is looking a bit heavy on my hand. Yeah, when I am holding this, bit heavy, and the build quality is decently good. Coming to the price, this is in the offline store, so it's like somewhere around 1100 rupees. Okay, yeah, I tried to find it in the online, but I couldn't find the exact model of this Bergner Senetor Dosa Tawa. Maybe, yeah, I need to check. If it is possible, I will be just pinning in the first comment if there is online availability. Yeah, please do post your opinion in the comment section below about this Bergner branded cast aluminium dosa tawa. And please do comment currently which brand dosa tawa are you using. Is it a non-stick or cast iron tawa, or cast aluminium tawa? Whichever it may be, please do comment in the description so that I'll get to know which is the brand or which is the type of dosa tawa most people are using. Please do comment that. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, Greblon non-stick. Sorry, this has non-stick also.